In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an Airbnb account in just 5 minutes. Whether you're looking to book your next vacation or become a host, having an Airbnb account is a significant first step. So, let's dive right in and get you started on this quick and straightforward process. To begin, open up your web browser and go directly to Airbnb's official website at airbnb.com. You'll find yourself on their inviting homepage, full of various listings and inspiring images to spark your travel ideas. Now, once you're on the site, direct your attention to the top right of the screen. There, you'll see a small menu icon that looks like a profile picture or 3 lines, depending on your device or browser. Clicking this icon will open a drop-down menu. In this drop-down, you'll want to select the option that reads Log in or Sign up. Clicking here will take you to the login page, where you'll see multiple options for creating your account. For this tutorial, we're going to use the Google sign-in method, as it's one of the quickest ways to get set up. So find and click on Continue with Google. If you're already signed into your Google account on your browser, you may see a list of your accounts displayed. Choose the one you'd like to use to create your Airbnb account. If you're not signed in, you'll be prompted to do so. Once you provide your Google credentials and log in, you'll be redirected back to Airbnb. At this point, you'll need to provide some necessary information to help Airbnb personalize your experience. You'll be asked to type in your first and last name. It's important to use your real name here, as this will be part of your profile visible to hosts and other users. After entering your name, move on to fill in your date of birth. Remember, you must be at least 18 years old to create an account on Airbnb. Next, you'll be asked to check and update your contact info, such as your email address. Ensure this is accurate, as Airbnb will use it to send you important information about your bookings and account updates. Finally, the last step involves agreeing to Airbnb's terms and conditions. Take a moment to review these if you haven't had a chance before. Once you're ready, simply click on Agree and Continue, and there you have it. Your brand new Airbnb account is created, and you're ready to start exploring countless accommodation options or even listing your property for travelers. Thanks for joining me today, and happy travels.